Welcome back to the Hot Skinny Recipe. Today, we're making a heartwarming Turkish chicken soup, or tabuk korbesi. This classic dish is perfect for those chilly winter days. You'll need chicken breasts or thighs, onion, carrots, garlic, and optional rice or orzo for heartiness. Start by simmering the chicken with onion and carrots in water for about 45 minutes. Once tender, strain the stock and shred the chicken. In the same pot, melt butter, whisk in flour for a roux, then add turmeric and paprika for color and flavor. Gradually stir in the stock, add rice or orzo, and let it simmer until tender. Finally, mix in the shredded chicken, minced garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Season to taste and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve it hot with crusty bread, and enjoy this comforting bowl of goodness.